In today's video, I want to share with you my latest backup bottle purchases. I spent more than 800 bucks on it. So let's say to this backup bottle worthy fragrances. As you know, unfortunately, Boss Bottled Intense has been discontinued already. So before prices getting crazy and unreasonably expensive, especially on eBay, around 100-200 bucks, go grab a bottle. I purchased this one 55 bucks for 100 ml. 7 months before, prices were around 30-40 bucks maximum. So I can see prices are getting little bit higher compared to 4-5 months before. I'm sure soon prices will be doubled up. So before prices getting crazy, I suggest you go grab a bottle. Also, you can go buy a regular version of this fragrance, but I believe that intense version is way better compared to regular Boss Bottled. For those who don't know, scent profile of this one is woody and fruity, opens up a little bit appley, very mind-blowing and mouth-watering type of scent profile. I really enjoy scent profile of this fragrance. Performance is average by this one, lasts like 4 to 5 hours maximum with first hour. Average projection and sillage, I prefer it for indoor situations. Not that great for winter, I don't prefer it for summer, spring and fall. Next fragrance is Prada Luna Rosa Black, one of my most complimented fragrances in the collection. Underrated compliment getting fragrances, let's say to this, because people at all don't like this fragrance, but based on my experiences, hands down top notch, one of the best compliment getting fragrances, especially from ladies, with such a great sillage. So I haven't heard anything about discontinuing this fragrance, just my bottle was little, 50 ml, and about to run out. That's why I purchased one 100 ml backup bottle for myself for 70 bucks. For those who don't know about this fragrance, scent profile, performance, I can say it is thick, sweet, slightly dark and powdery type of fragrance, modern smelling, masculine type of fragrance, lasts 6-7 hours on my skin with 2 hours average projection and great sillage. I don't know what is wrong by fragrance companies. Rockstars one by one getting discontinued. Another most complimented fragrance in my collection is Valentino Uomo Intense. Every single time that I wear this fragrance, I get compliments. My older bottle is 50 ml. My new backup bottle is 100 ml. My backup bottle is 2020. I don't believe that is 2021 because just purchased it. The older bottle is 2017. But I cannot notice or get anything different between these two fragrances. I mean, I cannot get any reformulation in terms of scent profile, performance. Both bottles are still great and same. I'm 100% sure prices will be more crazy about this one compared to, for example, Boss Bottled Intense, because was a big hype around this fragrance. I think soon will be around 200, 300s on eBay. Next fragrances are from Eccentric Molecules. 01, 02, I believe these are the best from the line. I don't prefer or enjoy the other fragrances from the line. So these are not groundbreaking type of fragrances, but I believe different concept and very useful. Sometimes when I want to give some twist or depth to some of my boring fragrances like Prada L'Homme, for example, I go by this one, and sometimes for extremely hot summer days, just I go alone by them. In terms of compliments, these are also great, surprisingly complimented type of fragrances. I purchased 2 backup bottles, 01 and 02, 2 bottles, 150 bucks. It means 75 bucks each bottle. Next backup bottle is Paco Rabanne's 1 million. I bought it 45 bucks for 50 ml. Every time in my collection, this is my 7th or 8th bottle. Works great with my body chemistry. Another most complimented fragrance in my collection, hands down. Every time one of my must-haves for fall and winter. At top 10 fragrances for rest of my life, hands down, another must-have for me. Ultra Male by Jean Paul Gaultier. I heard only that this one has been discontinued as well. I'm not sure, but this unreliable news was enough for me to go and get a bottle for myself. This is 200 ml. My older bottle is 40 ml, not enough for sure for me. I bought 200 ml backup bottle of Ultra Male for 98 bucks, 100 bucks for 200 ml. In terms of scent profile, projection, sillage, formulation, I cannot get anything different between these two fragrances. So I believe newer batches are still as good as 16-17 batches. This fragrance has been reformulated, but I don't believe after 16 or 17 again reformulated for second time. Next fragrance is Amouage Reflection Man. As you can see, I used a lot from my older bottle. It is $200 for 100 ml, one of the most complimented niche fragrances in my collection for spring and summer, especially at the springtime. This fragrance turns to such a monster in terms of attracting ladies and compliments. Performance is still same. I cannot get anything different between these two bottles in terms of scent profile. Performance, just there is some details has been changed on the newer bottles. At the older bottle here we have Amouage. At the newer bottle we have here Amouage Reflection. On the neck of the older bottle we have here engraved Reflection, but on the newer bottles we have not that detail. Both of the bottles are magnetic. I heard a lot that newer bottles are not performing even 1 hour. Just I bought it because I really like scent profile. I was kinda accepted that I'm gonna get a bad bottle, bad performer bottle with same scent profile, but I can see all was nonsense. Without further ado, my next backup bottle is Prada L'Homme, 150 ml, $80. My older bottle is 50 ml, for sure not enough for me. I can say in terms of scent profile and performance, both of the fragrances are same. I cannot detect any reformulation between these two fragrances, so I can assure you, you can go safely buy new batches. I believe it shares a lot of similarities with Amouage Reflection Man. Both of these fragrances are in the same direction but different type of scent profiles. They are both floral based fragrances for men. They smell a little bit powdery and luxury kind. I like it because it is a different type of freshy. Mostly fresh fragrances are fruity, citrusy or aquatic. This is floral type of freshy fragrance. Atmosphere of fragrance is fresh but not aquatic, not citrusy and fruity at all. Very unique type of scent profile. Performance is very great for this type of scent profiles. It is a successful fragrance, I believe. Lasts easily 10-12 hours plus, which is a very great time for this type of airy and fresh fragrances. With 2-3 hours, great projection and sillage. It is a loud fragrance but very cloudy and airy. Sillage is definitely bigger even compared to projection. In this fragrance leaves a very loud scent trail behind. My last backup bottle is Bulgari Aqua Amara. I paid $70 for 50 ml. Already I have one 100 ml. About scent profile of this one, it is zesty, aquatic and floral. Floral and zesty notes are much more prominent compared to aquatic and that oceanic notes, but you can catch that oceanic, colony and a little bit CBD vibes than this fragrance as well. Performance is 12 hours plus easily in terms of longevity with 2-3 hours. Very loud projection and sillage. One of the winners, one of the longest lasting freshy fragrances for spring and summer. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That was today's video. If you have any opinion, suggestion, question, let me know in the comments below. I will answer you. See you in another video.